Hello, how is everybody doing? Our first card is the Musician. There is magic in the air, and just let it flow and expect the unexpected. Things are coming in fast, so be prepared and take action where necessary. We are now all feeling content, happy, with deep gratitude within us for where we are and what is happening around us. We have stepped out of our comfort zones, and this has made us feel not so stuck. We see the opportunities and possibilities that we haven't seen before because we're just too stuck to even attempt anything. We have found a newfound freedom that anything is possible. The universe is abundant. I can't say that more. And if you open up, you will receive this abundance. Your relationships are getting better. I know mine is, so I hope this card is working for all of us, I'm sure. Follow your own hopes and dreams and forget about the deceit and crap from the past. There are a lot of things falling away around us, and it is a kind of a victory, but not completely what we wanted. But be patient. At the moment, it is helping us rid ourselves from so much trauma and hassles that we carried around with us for so long. Um, it's the end of anxieties. And what we don't see coming with patience and love and peace is balance, justice in balance. And we need to stay focused on our own dreams, on our own inner guidance. Thank you very much for listening. Love you all so, so much.